Getting your living room ready for the real estate market. Getting your living room ready for the real estate market involves creating an appealing and neutral space that can attract potential buyers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare your living room. 1. Declutter. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and clutter from the living room. The goal is to create a clean and spacious environment that allows potential buyers to envision their own belongings in the space. 2. Clean. Thoroughly clean the living room, including floors, windows, baseboards, and any furniture. Consider hiring professional cleaners to ensure a deep and spotless clean. 3. Repairs and maintenance. Fix any minor repairs such as chipped paint, loose handles, and squeaky doors. A well-maintained living room gives the impression that the entire property has been well cared for. 4. Neutralize decor. While you might love your unique decor, it's important to create a neutral canvas that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Consider repainting bold-colored walls with neutral tones and removing eccentric decorations. 5. Depersonalize. Remove family photos, personal artwork, and items with strong personal associations. The goal is to make it easier for buyers to imagine themselves living in the space. 6. Furniture arrangement. Arrange the furniture to create an open and inviting layout. Avoid overcrowding the space. Leave enough room for buyers to move around comfortably. 7. Natural light. Open curtains and blinds to let in as much natural light as possible. Well-lit spaces feel more inviting and spacious. 8. Accessorize minimally. Add a few tasteful and neutral accessories, such as throw pillows, a simple vase of flowers, or a neutral-colored rug. These touches can enhance the room without overwhelming it. 9. Eliminate odors. Make sure there are no unpleasant odors in the living room. Consider using air fresheners or baking cookies before showings. 10. Flooring. If your flooring is in poor condition, consider having it professionally cleaned, repaired, or replaced, depending on the extent of the damage. 11. Staging. If your budget allows, consider hiring a professional stager who can arrange furniture, decor, and accessories to showcase the living room's potential. Staging can greatly enhance the visual appeal of the space. 12. Minor updates. If your budget permits, consider making minor updates that can add value to the room, such as upgrading light fixtures or replacing outdated hardware. 13. Curb appeal. Remember that the living room is just one part of the overall presentation of your home. Enhance the curb appeal of your property by maintaining the exterior, including landscaping, entryway, and facade. 14. Photography. High-quality photos are essential for online listings. Ensure that your living room looks its best when photographed. Consider hiring a professional photographer who specializes in real estate photography. 15. Showcase functionality. Arrange furniture in a way that showcases the living room's functionality. For example, if you have a fireplace, create a cozy seating area around it. By following these steps, you can create a living room that is welcoming, neutral, and appealing to potential buyers, helping to make a positive impression and increase your chances of a successful sale. Involves creating an appealing and neutral space that can attract potential buyers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare your living room.